Okay, exam preparation process. Now, this is not only for FM, this is for all of the papers for skills level. Okay, I divide them into four categories. One is prepare yourself. This is your learning stage. You watch the video lectures, question videos, you download the tutor slides, you read the study notes, and so on. So, this is the learning phase where you are acquiring knowledge. Then you have to engage yourself with study plan, with WhatsApp group, with assignments, with live webinars, with tutor support. So this is the engagement part of the course. Okay. Third is test yourself. This is where you do the quizzes, progress test, and mock exam. And finally, getting ready for exam, which means attend the pre-exam webinars, technical articles, examiner report, and find out your knowledge gaps from the mock exam and try to fill in those gaps. So, I mean, the overall process, I divide them into these four blocks. One is where you are acquiring knowledge, you are getting ready. Second is that you are being engaged, you are not silent, you are not sleeping in the corner, you are actually participating. And then you are testing yourself. And finally, you are, the final finishing you do, the getting ready for going for exam. Okay. This should be in last 1 week. This activity number 4 is last 1 week. How much effort is needed? 140, 50, 60, or 70 hours. This is the minimum or maximum depending on your academic strength. Some people, they are academically strong. Some people, they struggle. Some people are coming back to books after a long break. Some people have just finished the university and they are actually have this habit of sitting and studying and so on. Okay. So it depends on individual to individual, 140 to 160 hours in general. So if you are starting now, you've got something like um, 3 weeks from September, October, November. So you have like 10, 11 weeks with you, maybe 10 weeks. So 140 to 160 hours divided by 10 weeks. So it's something like 15 hours per week. This is the effort which you have to give approximately. So if you are going for 10 week preparation time, you should be giving approximately 15 hours per week, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour more, or 1 hour, 2 hour less, depending on your academic strength and depending on your capability and ability to focus. Okay. Now, what does this include? It includes everything. It includes the topic videos for 15 chapters, approximately 40 hours, question videos, approximately 40 hours, reading the notes, not the study text, 20 to 25 hours, practicing approximately 50 hours. So this is like the ingredients which you have to, which will ultimately end up making this thing 150 hours. Now, remember that this is something which is for sure. Okay, this effort will give you a very good result. Let's suppose I say you have to give 160 hours. This is the maximum side. Okay, 100% you will pass. There is no chance that you do not pass the exam. I give guarantee 100% you will pass. Yes, if you come down to 140 hours, then your probability of passing the exam, maybe it is 80%. If you come down to 120 hours, maybe this probability is 60, 70%. If you say, I've got only 100 hours to give, I don't have much time, then your probability of passing the exam is maybe 50-50. Then I cannot give you guarantee. Then if the exam was easy, maybe you were lucky, you can pass. But if you give this type of thing, then whatever type of exam comes up, you will surely pass. Okay. I cannot commit how much score you will get, but at least you pass the exam. This I can guarantee. Okay. 12 to 15 hours per week. This is the weekly effort with, I mean, if you consider 10 hours, 10 weeks preparation time. Okay.